Hello friends, welcome to Nakviyam. Today we will learn about machine learning. Have you ever wondered while shopping on Amazon, Amazon will give you product recommendation. So how Amazon does all those things? How Google Translate will translate one language sentence into another language? How Google Photos knows whether your content is cat or dog? Or even wondered how Apple Siri and Google Assistant recognize your voice and translate it into text which is such a high accuracy. So, who is behind this technology? Machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, neural networks are behind this technology. So, here we will learn about machine learning. What is the main difference between humans and machines? Humans can learn from past experience, but machines follow instruction, and that instructions are given by us. Now the question is that can machine learn from past experience? And the answer is yes, by providing collection of data. Let's see one example. Let's say you like a mango fruit. One day you go for a mango shopping, but you don't know how to choose a mango. Then you remember your grandmother's one rule to choose a mango. Your grandmother said bright yellow mango are very sweet. So you buy some mango from a market and you taste them, but they are not as sweet as you would like. So your grandmother rule is not 100% correct. So after tasting lot of mango, you found that those mango which are big bright are sweet, but small mango is not sweet. So you create another rule to choose a mango. Next time you go for a mango shopping, but now you bought a mango from another vendor and you found that small pale mango are sweet. So rule again changed to choose a mango. Let's say you visit to another country and bought a mango, but in this country green mango are the sweetest one. So again rule is updated to select a mango. So in every different situation you change the rule to choose a mango. If we want to implement a computer algorithm, we can write lot of decision making statement like if mango big bright yellow, mango is sweet. If mango is from different country, mango is sweet. If mango is soft, it will be juicy. So that is a never ending process of creating and updating a rule, and we cannot cover all possible cases, and it's become complicated. That's why machine learning comes into a picture. Machine learning system will create such a rule for us automatically. So machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it learn for themselves. We supply a lot of training data of mango in machine learning algorithm. This training data contains mango features like color of mango, size of mango, shape of mango, seller of mango and from which country it comes. And we have a data how much a particular mango is sweet, juicy and ripe. All these training data fit to the machine learning algorithm and eventually it will come out with a model, and that model is nothing but a rules which we have manually instructed. So next time you apply this mango to our model, it will tell us whether the mango is juicy, sweet and ripe. There are various applications of machine learning. Some of them are self-driving cars, product recommendation, digital assistant, email spam and malware filtering, social media services. Thank you and please like, share and subscribe to Nakvi Hub.